Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the Cast Iron Wednesday challenge for August, which is pot roast or meatloaf. So we're going to do some traditional British classic ingredients, which is steak and kidney. We've got a nice fire burning away in the wood-fired oven, so the first thing to do is just to pop a trivet in. Then we're just going to pop a cast iron skillet in there and let that start getting warm. Once it's warmed up, we're going to give it a good drizzle of olive oil. Let that warm up and we'll get making the meatloaf. So for this I've got 750 grams of ground beef. We've got one pig's kidney that is small diced. 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And why do we like Worcestershire sauce? It's because I can say it. Next thing is get the hand in and give it a good mix. And to that we're going to add 1 egg. Again, we're going to go in with the hand and give it a good mix. Then we've got some fresh thyme. About 2 stalks of fresh thyme. Just going to add the leaves in there only. Again, a nice mix. So we're going back to the wood-fired oven now. We're going to add 1 chopped onion. We're going to give that a stir, pop it back into the wood-fired oven on those flames and get it cooking away. To that now we're going to add 2 chopped garlic cloves. I'm not going to put this back in the wood-fired oven. There's enough heat in this cast iron to cook this garlic for about 1 minute. Just give it a stir. That's ready to add to our meatloaf. I'm going to put this directly into the meatloaf. Get our hand in, give it a good mix. And then we're going to add some beef stock. I think this is about 250ml, half a cup. Final mix. And that's it, ready to go in our loaf tin. So we've got a cast iron loaf tin here. We're just going to put all this mixture in. We're going to even it out. I'm not going to push this down too much. I don't want to make it too dense. And that's our meatloaf, ready to go in the wood-fired oven. I'm going to pop the lid on. We're going to get it in the oven. Our oven's running at 150 degrees C. That's 302 degrees F. So we're going to put that in. We're going to put the door on and leave that for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to take a look at this. If you want to become a Dutch crew member, it's free. All you got to do is hit that subscribe button below. And as you see, we've got quite a lot of moisture. So we're going to turn this tin through 180 degrees, put it back in with the lid off, and we're going to evaporate some of this moisture. Door back on, and we're going to go for another 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, we've got an internal temperature of 74 degrees C. That's 165 F. We've got a nice brown top to our meatloaf. We'll call this done. So we're just going to serve this with some mashed potato, green beans, carrots, and of course, you've got to have some gravy. Just going to take a slice of this. Let's see what we made. See, nice juicy steak and kidney meatloaf. This is for my 97-year-old father-in-law. He absolutely loves it. card here on the left was chosen especially for you.